BJP leader K. Annamalai has clarified that he will not contest the upcoming Tamil Nadu Assembly elections and will instead focus on campaigning for party candidates. Speaking after arriving in Chennai, he stated that he had informed the party leadership in advance about his decision and that his name was not included in the list of probable candidates sent for approval. He emphasized that it was a personal choice and not a denial of a ticket. He said the party has assigned him campaigning responsibilities across Puducherry, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, which he intends to carry out until polling concludes on April 23rd. Annamalai also confirmed that he had communicated his decision to senior BJP leaders, including Piyush Goyal and Nitin Nabin, and expressed gratitude to the leadership for respecting his stand. He is also expected to attend a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Chennai, where discussions will focus on the election strategy. The BJP took several days to finalize its candidate list with a noticeable emphasis on senior leaders, while some younger faces were not included.